We are analyzing the extreme hardware value and pro-grade engineering of the new Vivo Y600 Pro to see how it completely redefines the high-end mid-range smartphone market. Before we dive into the specs, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech analysis. Now, let's talk hardware. The core processing architecture is driven by the brand new MediaTek Dimensity 7300e chipset built on an efficient 4nm process, heavily coupled with an upgraded graphite sheet cooling system and a multi-layer armored chassis to maintain peak internal thermal stability under daily workloads. For storage and memory layout, this device comes equipped with high-speed configurations of 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM paired with up to 256GB or 512GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage, completely eliminating system bottlenecking. The display is an absolute masterclass, featuring a clean 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED panel with a fluid 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-high 4320Hz PWM dimming for eye safety, and razor-thin bezels to never interrupt your viewing. Sustaining this heavy performance profile is a historic, massive 10,200 mAh 4th-generation silicon-carbon battery, weaponized with 90W rapid wired flash charge for unbelievable daily endurance inside a super slim 8.2mm body. The photography department features a clean 50-megapixel main camera sensor with a bright f/1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization (OIS) for steady hardware rendering, alongside a 32-megapixel front selfie shooter. The hardware remains fully loaded with essential enthusiast features, including a multifunctional NFC chip, stereo speakers, an integrated ear blaster, and a highly durable chassis holding a certified IP68 and IP69 waterproof rating against high-pressure water jets. Running out of the box, the device is powered by the highly optimized OriginOS 6 operating system based on Android 16, offering advanced AI resource allocation and long-term security updates. The standout feature is definitely the combination of that record-breaking 10,200 mAh battery, the efficient Dimensity 7300e performance, and the ultra-durable IP69 build, making it the ultimate dream machine for daily power users. Stay ahead of the tech curve, like, subscribe, and check the link in the first comment. Thanks for watching.